Top 5 Best Baby Sound Machines. Longer. We totally agree. The best baby sound machines are safe, reliable, have adjustable volume and varied noise types, can work with batteries or a wall plug, and are equipped with an auto-off timer. Number 5 Hatch Baby Res Sound Machine and Nightlight. Like crickets chirping, birds, waves, water trickling in a stream, rain, laundry, and a few melodies. Rest combines nightlight. Customize color, brightness, sound. Rest can be programmed to turn on automatically. Number 4 Electrofan Kinder Sleep Sound Machine. Accurate in its sound emulation. But that white noise machine is not designed for use with children, doesn't have a night light, and cannot connect to a smartphone. Plugs directly into a wall outlet. Designed to promote deeper. Works with iPhone and Android. Number 3 Project Nursery Sound Machine. Their top-rated baby monitor appears in our best baby monitor list, and this sound machine is close to the top of this review for functionality, versatility, and a great price. Making high quality, versatility, and a great price. Project Nursery Sound Machine is available. Number 2 Wave Baby Premium Soothing Sound Machine. Coming in at about half the price of the Hatch Baby or Electrofan Kinder, this device also has about half the features. All-natural sonic pacifier creates seamless looping of 6 gentle sounds. Convenient USB port with 2.1 amp output. Number 1 Marpac Hush White Noise Sound Machine. Includes the Marpac Room, Marpac Hush, Marpac Wish, Marpac Dom Classic, and Marpac Dom Connect. The models range in price from about $30 to $70, and they vary considerably in features. Beloved by generations since 1962, Marpac is the trusted leader. Choose from bright white noise,